Hi, I'm Amory, the inventor of the Paggle Travel Pillow. Thank you so much for your interest in the Paggle. I'm going on a trip in a couple weeks, and I thought I'd just take this opportunity to show you how I would pack it for a long journey. Come with me. We're going to Florida, so I'm packing a lot of clothes for warm weather. Here is a sleeveless dress that I'm putting in first because it's one of the bigger items. And then on top of that is a short sleeve shirt. I like to roll things. That seems to work best for packing. I'm putting in a pair of underwear just to round out those corners. And here is the Paglet with 3 other pairs of underwear. So I'm set for a little while. And on the other side, there's a pocket that fits the passport exactly. And then there's another long sleeve shirt, just in case I get cold on the flight. I like to have a long sleeve shirt. And then I'll round out that corner with a pair of socks. And on the sides, I put the things that I need during my trip, like my earplugs, aspirin, toothbrush, toothpaste. And then cover that up with something soft, like a short sleeve shirt. And at the very end, I like to put in my earbuds in the front of the Paggle so they're always easily accessible for my flight. And then I zip that up. And here is the Paggle fully packed. It is the same size as your average travel pillow, but has some useful items in it.